Good morning and welcome to the Crafty Canary for your tip on Tuesday. Today I want to give you a quick tip about freezing spinach. I like to buy these packages of organic baby spinach, and I often buy the really huge packages. And with a small family, we won't use that fresh before it goes bad. And I like to use spinach in my smoothies, in soups, in casseroles, and I can freeze some of it and keep it a little bit longer so that it doesn't go bad. So let me show you how I do that. But first, let me tell you, most of the time when you're freezing vegetables, even spinach, you want to blanch it first, which is a quick parboiling to savor and hold in the color, the flavor, the texture, some of the vitamins. But if you're going to use it within 3 weeks, you can freeze it without blanching it. So really easy. What I do, get my package, open it up, put the spinach into a freezer bag. Make sure it's not just a storage bag, because the freezer bag, those made especially for the freezer, are gonna seal in a little bit of that freshness a little bit longer. So I'm gonna put all of this spinach in here, stick it in the freezer, close it really good, get all the air out, stick it in the freezer, and I'll come back and show you what I do next. So the spinach has been in the freezer and now it's kind of a frozen solid mass, and we're just gonna do this. We're just gonna crunch it up, and then we can take a scoop, a half a cup measure, and scoop out a couple of scoops into our smoothie, into our soup, into our casserole, and it's like chopped spinach. And this has only been in the freezer a few hours. When it's really frozen solid, it chops up a little bit better, but you can have chopped up spinach, frozen spinach for your smoothies, your soups, your casseroles, just as easy as that without having to blanch it. So I hope you have enjoyed this tip. Have a great day. Like my videos and subscribe to my channel for more great tips on Tuesday. Thanks so much. See you next time.